Good morning, all. Paul from CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, November 18th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and the NQ. So we were talking in the room late yesterday. I'm pretty sure I mentioned in the video last night that value is going to be in favor of the bears this morning if we open in a lower distribution. Okay? Value was never pulled down because we stretched out pretty good late in the afternoon in ES and in NQ. You can see value low is right at the single print fill to get into the upper distribution in NQ. And in ES's case, it's below basically the second set of singles. So what does that mean? It means the bears are going to start with a pretty good advantage this morning, most likely. Again, there's still 90 minutes to go. But if we were to stay at these levels, the bears are going to start with a very good advantage, which is value. Okay? They could also potentially start with indices. Now, yesterday, ES defended the balance low on the weekly. Look where we're trading right now, right near it. It's gotten below it in the overnight, but again, that's nothing. What it is, though, for now, as you can see, is your monthly low in November is in the overnight in ES. Okay? So, and in NQ at this point. So we're printing monthly lows in the overnight. We also have October in the maintenance session as the monthly low. So there's a lot of different, the yearly lows in the overnight, the yearly highs are in the overnight. ES has a poor high in regular trading hours. So there's a lot of unfinished business on both sides of this market. I think the main thing that bears want to do is to finally get this monthly at some point into a firm balance, which would mean, to me, a firm balance would be taking out a previous monthly low. An inside month would also stop the trend, even though it doesn't stop the one-time frame, and it would slow it. But I'd rather see a monthly low get taken out and see how we come out of that type of balance. Righty, right now, is trading right at September's low. So that means our balance on the monthly in righty, because they already took out, obviously, October's low, is September, October, November. Now, August low is much lower, but we do have still 2 weeks of trading to go. So if they go much lower, it could encompass August, right? All remains to be seen by the end of the month. As far as the game plan here, again, right now, we're trading right at yesterday's lows. I don't know if a gap would hold. I would be a lot more confident looking for shorts if we go and get the overnight lows, take the weekly from balance to down in ES, and then on pushes up, look for shorts. We have right now an inside week down. That's what this line is here. It's 70.75. Now, it didn't really pay much yesterday, but it's an inside week. So you have 4 more days to see if you're going to get paid on the downside. Again, you're in the trading room. You're going to see all these potential bull-bear scenarios throughout the entire trading day. Okay? And then chart-wise, for now, here is your weekly in ES. Coming into this week, it's a 3-week balance inside week. Do we come out of that again to the downside? And finally, put the weekly down. The daily right now is down. We're below the 50 for the first time since April. Again, 1-2 days does not make a market, but it's something to keep an eye on to see at some point sooner rather than later can the bulls reclaim it. Thank you for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.